Hello. Here in Willamette Valley of Oregon, there's a bird not very many people know of. The hairy woodpecker. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. The hairy woodpecker. Where is it? This guy just flew up to a tree right near us and started pounding on the wood. It looks like it hurts. I guess it doesn't, because he seems to be enjoying it. If this guy's any indication, woodpeckers add a lot of compost to the forest floor. The hairy woodpecker is actually looking for food. Like you and I going to the supermarket or a grocery store to find our favorite foods, the hairy woodpecker is going to tree to find his favorite foods. Bugs. Hey, I wonder if there's any crickets or grasshoppers in the refrigerator at home. Gimme.